EE are now offering the fastest broadband speed available in the UK at a whopping 1.6 gigabits per second. And you'll also get their latest next-gen router with Wi-Fi 6 for free to make the most of all that extra juice. Nice. EE offers a comprehensive list of full fiber speeds, including more mellow speeds for us ordinary people. So if you've just got to connect 190 devices at the same time for a laugh, or you're a gamer who needs the fastest thing available for that competitive edge, or you just need a very reliable Wi-Fi that will handle all your household's internet habits, EE have got you covered. Sticking to their mobile roots, EE has excellent data SIM offers for their new broadband customers. With an EE broadband package, you can unlock unlimited data SIM cards for a fraction of the cost. And if you decide to get one, you can cancel anytime. Tempted? Me too. Choosing the right speed for your household will depend on your surfing and streaming habits, and also what's available in your area. Standard fiber broadband, FTTC, is pretty much everywhere in the UK at the moment, reaching speeds of up to 67 megabits per second. The copper wire is a little bit of a bottleneck to the speed, but still more than capable, and full fiber, FTTP, is quickly on its way up, currently reaching about 12 million UK homes. That's using purely only fiber optic cabling all the way up to your Wi-Fi router, and is the latest and greatest in broadband innovation. If you'd like to read through this article and more and find out the latest up-to-the-minute deals, head on over to offersnewcustomers.co.uk by clicking the link below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech in broadband, TV, and phone packages.